Dankeschön, Herr President. Dear colleagues, I want to start by thanking the great work of the rapporteurs of Intervelt and the chairman of the committee, Jeroen Lenaers, for taking on an extremely difficult responsibility. The Pegasus scandal is not about IT, nor security, nor regulation of the radioelectric space. It is a scandal that strikes at the heart of our democracy. And the measures we will pass will not guarantee its protection for two fundamental reasons. First, states are the main responsible of this scandal, and one needs to have a very good faith to assume that the violators of fundamental rights themselves will be the ones responsible for preventing future violations. And second, Pegasus technology is incompatible with the rule of law. A technology that is designed to escape all reliable and independent control opens Pandora's box. And what is to come will not be pleasant. All of you should get ready to see how this technology will be used to influence your political decisions if this has not happened already in cases such as the Spanish position on the Western Sahara. Thank you very much.